Victoria Nye, and I started here at Tuana in February of 2022. And right off the bat, as soon as I came in, I knew this was the right school because Denise was definitely super nice, welcoming, warming, and all throughout my time here, I've had nothing but help anytime I needed it. Everyone's just super helpful. It's very laid back, easygoing. There's no drama between the girls.
No,
Everyone loves each other, and it's really great. So
yeah, I'm Sarah. I'm graduating today, and I started at the end of September. And kind of the same thing. Like as soon as I came to take the tour, and I met Miss Denise, and I met the girls that I would be in school with, I just knew it was the right fit because everybody was just so nice. And yeah, you think about beauty school, there could be issues with other girls, and here it's not. It's like a small family, and it was like that the entire time. So super glad that I picked Tuana, and we'll definitely be telling people about it. So thank you.